Okay, let's do a cappella lang ha. Dahil balita ko lahat ng anchors daw magagaling na singer eh.
Yun o.
Parang yung last event natin, ang dami nag-debut na anchors, di ba? Ayan, so... How did our feelings turn this cold? When you smile, it gives me...
Chills.
Ah, galing, galing.
Ay, kuha kayo ng isang ano.
Level up natin ha. Kailangan may mga biglang lalapitan yung marshals.
Ganun ang gawin natin.
Ay.
Kasi sayang yung ano.
Jude, gusto mo ano? I-continue.
Ayoko.
Ano ba yan?
Okay. It takes one touch to make my body know temperatures.
Driving.
Temperatures.
Hala, hindi alam ni Ana.
Driving.
Hala, sino nakakaalam?
Ayun sila yung story. Yung bias natin nandun. Si wala. Yung bias na natin. Meron na ano sa baba. Ay.
We just want to take this time to thank you guys for everything that you've done for our lives and it's true that we just want you guys to jump in here.
Twister talaga yun.
We can take our time, our dreams are always there, and we'll find ourselves in it.
Dapat yung tayo. Tayo.
Okay guys, anong nangyayari dyan?
Anong kaguluhan ito?
Anong kaguluhan ito?
Anong kaguluhan ito?
Tawagin mo si Marcos.
Ay, meron pa kayo?
Masaya
Si
ba?
Marcos.
Movie? O masaya dahil may
Para
mga
luming-
tao sa harapan ninyo. Yan po.
Oo, kasi ano? Kita niyo naman yan. Kita niyo naman yung manood natin.
So, let us acknowledge din ang mga nanonood online.
Ano
Yes po.
Like, may mga comments na masyado daw pinaglaruan ng emotions nila. Meron din naman, ayan, nanonood daw sila dito sa Cinema 8. And, nami-miss daw nila ang Horizon mag-perform.
Story is an inspiration to all of us.
And that is them. Reminding us that being an anchor is not just about cheering for a group. It's about being part of the journey, celebrating their wins, supporting them through challenges, and growing together as one family.
At dahil dyan,
Yan.
who helped put the documentary together.
Palakpakan!
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you sa paggawa ng documentary na yun. And with that, anchors, let's carry this feeling of pride and inspiration as
Nahulog na
we
yung
move on to
basura.
the next highlight
Mamaya ko na lang
of our
dadamputin.
program.
Speaking of you, all of us, the heart, soul of this journey.
So, simulan na natin. Let's give a big round of applause as we call the names of our amazing fandom bases. Sa mga representatives po, may we request na umakyat po kayo dito sa
Yes.
stage.
Yes po.
Okay. So, let's start from VRVST or naman dyan.
Yes.
Next is UVST or Invincible.
Thank you po.
Po, any representatives po?
Any representative po? Next po, Solid Tyler Global. And to formally hand over the symbol of recognition to Horizon, may we call on stage one cast to present the award.
Hindi ko masyadong nakikirester. Layo nila. Hindi ba tayong lumipat?
And to formally hand over the symbol of recognition to Horizon, may we call on stage the one cast to present the award. Anchors, let's give a big round of applause to Horizon and one cast.
Wow! Wow, star!
Tayo sa Yan, maraming salamat
Thank
po.
you so much.
Ay, tanungin naman natin ang Horizon. Ano ang masasabi nila? Nanginginig ako. Ayan.
Okay, let's ask the words from... Wait, sorry naman. Sorry naman. Kaya yan today? Marco!
Tama na.
One, two, three. We are Horizon. Thank you guys really. I know we're a bit late, pero gusto po namin magpasalamat sa inyong lahat because we really appreciate that you guys really put effort into this Hollywood documentary, and I will rewatch it when I get home. Pero thank you po for everyone who came, for everyone still supporting us. We're still here. Horizon is still here. Anchors are still here. We're all still here. So we love you guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Kuya Rister, do you have anything to say to them? Hi guys. Thank you for voting, for supporting, and for everything.
At may ING, galing.
I love you so much. Nagulat ba kayo sa black hair ko, guys? Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyong lahat na super nagpapasalamat kami sa pagbobota nyo sa amin and walang sawang suporta nyo na binibigay para sa amin. Continue yung pagmamahal namin para sa inyo. Hindi kami magsasawa, guys. Ninihintay lang talaga namin yung comeback namin.
Dito lang din naman ang anchors. Naghihintay lang din kami sa inyo.
So yun, also thank you to Juancast, for making this happen, and for the anchors. We really thank you guys because all credit goes to you. We didn't do anything. We just watched you guys do this. So thank you so much po. Let's go! Award, Mid-Year P-Pop Showdown Award. Let's go! Let's go! Thank you po. Thank you. We love you.
Picture naman tayo, picture. Picture tayo with Horizon.
Wala mo ng mata ko na. Sa tayo. Uy, lipat tayo dito. Makita si Rachel masyado na malabo na yung mata ko eh. Wala lang.
Ayan, thank you so much. Palakpakan naman ang horse. Grabe.
Thank you so much, Horizon, for gracing us today.
Tawagin natin. Rachel!
Congrats.
Congratulations!
Hindi natin
Alis na sila. Alis na sila.
At since na-meet nyo na ang ating winners of the night, let's announce the winners! Oh, let's go!
Wala ba kasi Kylo si Rachel?
Kailangan mo yung sino yung sa pangyayari
I-video ko. Gusto niyo po ba yung mamimili o yung nag-envelope? Mag-envelope ka na lang. Mamimili. Okay. Sino pa isa? Sino pa isa? Pilitin isa. Sino pa? Ito na si Marcus na pipili. Ito na. Muna kay Marcus. Rider. Thank you po. Round B. May racer dito kasabi. Racer will join din daw. Okay, sino pa? Step, round 3, nasa na yung players ko lang dito. Step 4, ay ano muna?
O tara, teamwork ulit guys! Nakasalamin mo din.
Look inside your envelope. Kaya ano sasabihin mo? Kayo, ano yung nasa envelope niyo? Ayaw talaga. Pero based on my observation, nasa niya yung anchor. Okay, so ang Team Chosen One ay hindi na magpapalit ng envelope.
Nakasalamin yan.
Nakasalamin yan.
Joke lang po, joke. Hindi daw po.
Last chance. Dahil si Marcos ko. Okay. Buksan na yan! Tatakbin ka ni Kiro pag hindi winners po. Sabi na tayo nada.
Face there.
Kai. Hi, Racer. Bye, Racer. Bye, Marcus.
Yun na.
Hindi mo makita hinahanap mo, no?